So we're going to use this kind of balance method to see if we can solve some of these problems. So we're going to use this weighted average. So I've got cashews. They cost $1.25 a pound, and walnuts are cheaper. They cost 80 cents a pound, and we need to make $1 a pound mixture. So we need to have some cashews and some walnuts, and some mix of them will get us to $1 per pound. And we need to make 8 pounds of it. So what we can do is do this. We can draw out this proportion, and we can say that here we have 80 cents per pound, and just make this a little bit straighter, and here we have $1.25 a pound, and so our dollar per pound happens to be about here, and so this is about 20 cents and this is 25 cents, and we're going to need more of the 80-cent walnuts because we need to pull this average over a little bit past halfway. So if it was right in the middle, we would just do 50-50, but this needs to be pulled over just a little bit more this way. So we're going to need a bit more of the 80 cents. And this proportion here, this difference, actually gives us an idea what the proportions are. We're going to need 25 parts of the 80-cent mixed walnuts, and we're going to need 20 parts of the $1.25 cashew mixture. And so if I want 8 pounds, I have basically, and I can break this down into a 4-to-5 ratio. There's 4 parts here, 5 parts here. So if I want 8 pounds, break that 8 pounds up, I'm going to say 8 pounds, and 4/9 is going to give me the in this case cashews. So working that out, that's going to be 32/9. So that's how many pounds. That's approximately 3 and a bit, 3.5 repeating. Okay, so that's 3.55 pounds of cashews. And then for the other mixture, we want the rest. So that's going to be 5/9. That's going to be 40/9. And this is going to be walnuts, and so that works out to be 6. What's that going to be? Not 6, but 4.4 repeating pounds of walnuts. Okay, and this gives us a nice proportion to work with here, where we can break it into 4 parts and 5 parts. We just have to remember it's going to be in reverse. Now we should double check this and solve this as a system. Okay, so just setting this up as a system, we know that x plus y, so x is going to be the pounds of cashews. Okay, this is cashews. And this is going to be my walnuts. And that's going to be equal to 8 pounds. And we can say that 8 pounds times my $1 mixture is going to give me the total cost of that mixture, and part of that cost is going to come from my 80-cent walnuts and my $1.25 cashews. Solving this equation, I'm going to replace the y with 8 pounds minus the number of pounds of cashews, and then solving this equation, I get 8 is equal to 6.4 minus 0.8x plus 1.25x. So I end up with 1.6 is equal to looks like 0.45x. Solving for x, I get 1.6 divided by 0.45. And again, that's going to give me my 3.55 pounds. And then solving for y, I end up with 4.4 repeating. Okay, so I get the exact same solution using my balance. And this is a little bit more intuitive and a little bit cleaner, but we could also solve it using a system of equations.